Indian Congress spokesperson, Pawan Khera, said that the Indian Congress National Conference Alliance will restore Jammu and Kashmir's right to statehood. The Election Commission of India had announced that assembly elections in India-held Jammu and Kashmir will be conducted from September 18 to October 1, setting the stage for the first major electoral exercise in the disputed region since its dismemberment in August 2019. The poll schedule was announced a month after the Modi government had widened the scope of the held Jammu and Kashmir lieutenant governors' powers from police and public order to postings and prosecution sanctions. The opposition had condemned the move, calling it the step to rendering the chief minister in held Jammu and Kashmir powerless and disempowering the region's people. While speaking, Khera said that the state of held Jammu and Kashmir was a state whose rights were taken away, statehood was taken away, it was made a Union Territory, urging that the state must get back this right. He added, "We will get back this right of Jammu and Kashmir." The Congress leader mentioned that the people of held Jammu and Kashmir had made up their minds and decided that if BJP has to be defeated, then only India alliance parties should be voted for.